So today we decided we were going to bike out to Chappie. Chappie's its own island off of the Vineyard. So we're going to take a ferry over there, and it's about a 6-mile bike ride down, 6 back. But when we get to the end of Chappie, there's this really cool park called Wasque.
Yeah, so Wasque, it's a special reserve, and basically there's a straightaway that you can swim across. There's huge cliffs that are really beautiful. There's a lot of cool trees and stuff, so we have the hammock that we can set up. So it's really hot today, so we're gonna try to make it. I don't know if it's gonna be hot, but it's gonna be good.
We'll see what happens.
Alright guys, so we're about to leave right now. We got
Selfie.
We have me, Turner, Reese,
Hey,
Jack,
it's me.
Jack, yep.
and we're gonna pick Dylan up at the ferry. So Dylan invited us to jump off his boat. And we said yes, because who doesn't like to jump off boats?
It's really high too, so it'll be cool.
So we're just gonna make a pit stop there. Okay, so we found this really cool mountain biking place. Look down there.
Yeah. It's like a decent trail for if you walk this vineyard, because there isn't really that much mountain biking.
Yeah, so we're actually gonna go try this.
Yeah, we'll do a quick little edit, I guess. So it's a pretty decent length, I guess, and it's pretty cool. So.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we made it. We're here at Wasque, right over there, as you can see by the sign.
Can't really see it right now, but
Whatever. Reese had to leave. He had some family friends, so he left right after the mountain biking. But we're here, we made it, and now we're gonna go swim in the ocean.
Alright guys, so we made it. It's really cool here. There's cliffs everywhere. It didn't take us that long to get here, which was pretty nice actually. And we're gonna try to find a place to put the hammock. We're gonna try to find
a place to swim.
Yeah, we can swim. We can swim over here. You can kind of see. We're gonna go over to that soon. There's also, it looks like you can rent kayaks, so that's really cool. And there's also, last time I was here, there were cliffs that we could kind of jump off. So yeah, we're gonna try to find those.
That's cool.
Alright, so there were trees last time on the way down the path, so we didn't realize it. But this is the spot that I remember, where there's kind of a cliff. Kind of, there is a cliff. And it's really cool. Alright, so somebody just told us to get down, which sucks. But, we're gonna...
It's wildlife, but there's nothing but, dead plants like this.
We're gonna go to the water now because it's hot. It's really hot out, and you just need to cool off.
Yeah. go jump off Dylan's boat. But we brought this log over for the hammock, which didn't really work out. And it was over there. Now we're gonna go attempt to bring it back. You guys ready? We have to come on. Alright guys, so we just went swimming, and we're out of the water. I'm using the tripod as a holder, which is kind of big. But Reese joined us. We're all right here, but Reese's friend is coming, so we're all gonna go. We're gonna meet him at the ferry, and then we're going to jump off Dylan's boat. Okay, go for it.
Alright guys, so we're leaving Wasque right now. We did all the things we wanted to do pretty much.
It was an awesome time. Yeah, that's all I can say. We're definitely gonna come back here. Definitely.
Yeah, we're gonna come back here at least every weekend.
Yeah.
I don't know.
But now we're going to jump off Dylan's grandfather's boat. I haven't seen it. Neither has anyone else except for Dylan. But he says it's pretty high, and who doesn't love jumping off things?
Yeah. Good. Okay, guys. So we just got onto Dylan's grandfather's boat, and it's really cool. Like you can show around. Like, it's 3 stories. I guess would you say 3 stories? Cause
yeah.
3 stories, and it's so cool. Like it's just really nice.
Here, the sound's gonna get a bit weird for a second, but just
it's windy. Like this is just like the upper deck. The upper deck
with some seats. Yeah. This nice view right here.
Like you see, we're gonna jump off it.
We're gonna jump off this.
It's pretty fun. That's pretty cool though.
All right, we'll show you the downstairs in a second.
Looks definitely more than 6 feet.
I think it is.
These are like just things that are on it. Whoa.
All right, so this is the living room.
Oh, what? Oh! What?
Let me get. Wait, where's the engine room?
Right here.
Can you go down there?
Yeah, there's a little.
All right, let's go down there in a second. The kitchen, little stove top.
Me?
Jack. Captain's seat.
Yeah, that's loud.
And then one bedroom, 2 beds, a bathroom, the master bedroom, the master bathroom. Guys, this is really cool. We're gonna go see the engine room right now. Before we go down there, this is the front deck. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, I got it. Alright, so now they're just trying to figure out how to turn on the engine lights down there. This control panel.
There's a cooler entrance in this?
There's a cooler entrance?
Can you go in from the bottom?
Actually, I want to try this entrance first. You know?
Yeah, here, let's go find the cooler entrance. We'll meet you down there, Jack.
Alright, let's go. Going in the engine room.
It has DOS engines.
Look at these here. Look at these massive engines.
Holy crap.
These things are huge.
Built by Grand Banks Yachts in Malaysia.
guys, I'm out here on top of crane. It's really slippery and really hard to not. Here, I actually jump. Okay, ready? I'm gonna jump off. That was an awesome time at Wasque, guys. We're definitely going back, and huge thanks to Dylan's grandfather for letting us jump off his boat. That was awesome.
Yeah, definitely. And also, we're definitely going to go back to Wasque because we found some new things that we need, like the skimboard for.
Yep.
So, look out for another vlog at Wasque. We're definitely going to go back. So, we got a lot of big things to come, so definitely see you in the next one.
All right, bye, guys. Watch out. No, that's 10.
Gosh.